block, guys. Be ready to block. Get up, Luis. Get up. Hey, anybody have an extra water bottle? Hey, who's this water? Hey, give me that water right there. Give me that water. Thank you. I don't know whose water this is. I'm taking it. See? I need energy. It's super weird. Nobody move. Salty water. Let's get that ball back. Hey, you guys should lift Danilo.
He's heavy.
He's not heavy? That's fucked up. He weighs 180. I'm 200.
Okay.
I'm like 220. Hey, again, that's a good block. That's a good block. It's fine. Yeah. Hey, you hit the top. That's good. Hey, sign on that one. Sign on that one. Let's go here. Who's my friend? Okay. Good.
Watch it.
Watch outside. Stay deep, stay deep. Good, good. Good take. Swing, 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 swing. Ah, I like to swing. Go! Daniel, that's where you go. Brandon, go. Help. Right? All you gotta do is just step close and swing at that ball. Brandon, you're gonna call that ball. It's an ugly ass ball. Yeah. Block! Block! Frankie! We gotta be ready. That guy's front row. My set's front row. You gotta be ready for that. Watch outside. Stay deep, stay deep. Go, Luis. 5. Fuck. Daniel. Only on good passes do I want you to say a 5. Okay? Only on good passes. Like he meant that. What the fuck? He walked out with a one finger. Look! Luis! Swing! Oh. swing in though. Good serve. Hey, what's a good? Hey, Luis. Easy. Hey, if you're off and you don't see where the block is at, either go sharp corner, deep angle, or over center. Watch outside. Get up. Watch over. You. Sets front row. That's you. Stay on the court, Angel. Hey, Jaden, lead with your left. You're like this. Lead more with the left, yeah. Hut. You timed it good, but then at the last second, you ended up going like this instead of like this. Sets front, Frankie, sets front. All right. Oh. Under, you went under. You went like this.
As long as you stay on our side.
Say it. I like the accent. It's so good. Hey, what's a good food from Venezuela? What? Arepa? I'm like, let's fucking go arepa. Whenever you get a kill. Good. Swing. Brandon, when you tip, it's not a this. It's literally this. Okay? You have videos on that? Can you take videos? Take a video of Brian hitting and then send it to me. Because that was a horrible. Look, he got a kill, but it was a horrible hit. In basketball translation, it's like if he shot a shot, but he went like this and he shot the ball all the way up. And he still went in.
When you're banking it from the corner.
Yeah.
You bank it in from the corner,
Yeah.
that shit was going out.
Yeah, exactly. Or like you fucking randomly did this, it went in, but it's not a good shot. Go, you're there. Medals. No. Let's go, arepa. Watch outside. He's like, it's like weird because he was late. Probably. But it's because he goes like this. If he go like this and he gets pushed like that. Daniel, move. You gotta get under the ball like this. You're trying to set like that. Bro, what is crazy? Hey, good. Run it again. Make him get that kill. Ref, time out. Watch over! Uh-oh. That was ugly.